Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Jayashree Kurup. I'm the editor of the CIDC Nirman. And I have with me Mr. C.P. Singh. He's Director Works and Infrastructure with UP MRCL. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
नमस्कार मैडम, थैंक यू।
सर, आपको आज CIDC Nirman अवार्ड किस चीज़ पे मिला है?
हमें मिला है बेस्ट मैनेज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट।
राइट सर। आपके कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स कितने मेट्रोस हैंडल कर रहे हैं यूपी में?
अभी हमारा लखनऊ में हमने ऑलरेडी डिलीवर कर दिया है। 23 किलोमीटर की मेट्रो हमने पब्लिक सेवा में अभी चल रही है।
हाँ जी।
2019 से।
हाँ जी।
एंड अनदर 2 cities which we are handling now, कानपुर एंड आगरा।
When are they?
कानपुर आल्सो लाइन इज ऑपरेशनल अराउंड 9 किलोमीटर, जो हमने 2021 में ऑपरेशनल की। और रिसेंटली आई एम हैप्पी टू अनाउंस दैट आगरा 6 kilometer has been made operational, and this has been constructed in a record time of 21 months.
Okay.
This is the fastest in India.
How did you manage that?
Managed is, see, it is a dynamic process.
Right.
Any construction work is a dynamic process. You have to stand at site, plan it day to day, give decision on the spot. That is the key. Because these MRTS projects are very typical project where lot of interface is involved. There is a civil construction, there is a rolling stock, there is a signaling, there is a track, there is a traction. So everybody completing the work within 21 months of all the discipline is a challenge.
Right.
So it is not the only civil work. You have to give access in such a way that other discipline also complete the work parallelly. So that is what is done. It was planned in such a way, and planning cannot be static, it has to be dynamic. So many times we change the planning so that work could be completed in time.
Right. तो ये आपका जो प्लानिंग प्रोसेस था, ये एक SOP बन सकता है न्यू मेट्रोस के लिए?
Yes, definitely बन सकता है। बिल्कुल बन सकता है। Because such type of program like CIDC has kept here, this is nothing but sharing of knowledges. Right. So every metro should share the knowledges. We should gain something from other metro, and we will also tell them how what are the best practices we are following.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We'll come back to you to do a detailed program on
yes, definitely.
break down the planning and execution.
We will love it, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, बताइए आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कफोर्स में प्रॉब्लम आती है? Is there a shortfall?
Truly speaking, yes.
Okay.
Nowadays, getting a skilled manpower is a challenge.
Yeah.
So, Government of India has also initiated a lot of initiative to skill the manpower.
Right.
And in our contract also, see, you will get the manpower, but manpower has to be skilled. Right. Ours is a high value civil engineering works which needs a very high level of skill. So, what we have kept in our contract, we trained the manpower for 96 hours before they are put on the job.
Okay.
So we have the agency identified, they come to the work site and they take the classes of various fields like welder, masonry, how to do the concreting and all. So that is how we are creating the workforce by enhancing their knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, how do you manage such tight schedules? You said that instead of a linear work line, you do so that multiple works can go on alongside, right?
Yeah.
In terms of your engineers, in terms of your workmen, is there any incentive for fast track work and things like that?
Incentive in the sense we try to keep the manpower at site, nearby the site.
Okay.
Create world-class facility for them. Give them free food. You will not believe that during the Corona period, Kanpur metro was made operational.
Okay.
And that was also done in around 22 months or so. We were able to keep around 1500 manpower at site, and they stayed happily.
Okay.
They were not willing to go to their respective houses. They were very happy at site, and they worked continuously even in Corona.
Okay. That's amazing.
Okay, and we provided them doctors, social distances were maintained, and all facilities were maintained. And you will not believe that not even a single workforce was infected.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
So we can take pride out of this.
Right. Right. Sir, congratulations to you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
joining us.